How to get funding peeps coupon codes. Now for this video, you'll have to open up your preferred web browser, but on my end, I'm gonna be using Google Chrome. By the way, you can also use your mobile phone just to access a certain browser that you can use. Now let's just head directly to it. And then in here, all I have to do is we will be searching out a third-party website that we can use for us to be able to have a coupon code that we can use for funding peeps. Now we have this website that called shipthedeal.com. So this is an actual site for us to have that code. So once you're on shipdeal.com, once you need to do here is just go directly to the search bar and type in funding peeps. Now there's going to be a drop down of the main result. Just click on that and you will be redirected to another page in which you will have a certain amount of codes that you can use. So what you want to do is just either get deal or show coupon code. So for you to be able to use it, just click on show coupon code and you will be provided with a specific code, and then go back to your funding peeps and input it in. Then you can now enjoy the code that you would like to choose from here. So that's it. That's how you find funding peeps coupon codes.